driver not working on Windows 11. In this video, I will show you two easy ways to download and install right drivers. Step by step, let us fix it. Hi everyone, in this quick guide, we will install drivers on Windows 11 using a Windows Update and Device Manager. First, make sure your PC is connected to the internet. If you use laptop, plug in on the charger. First, we will use Windows Update. This is the safest way. Right click on Start, Setting, Windows Update, Advanced option. Come to Optional Update. Wait a moment, here you will see a list of collected driver updates. Click on the driver you want. For example, this driver. Click download and install. Let it finish. Your screen may flash. When it is done, click restart now if Windows asks. If you don't see any optional update, your device may already up to date. You can still click on check. Method 2. Use Device Manager to update one device like Wi-Fi, audio or graphic. Right click on Start, Device Manager. Find the device category. For example, if you have problem with audio, select audio. If you have problem with USB, you can select USB or network. Then right click on anyone you have problem. Click on update driver. Here we have two options, search automatically for driver or browse. Search automatically for driver. Let's try Bluetooth also. Driver update automatically. If Windows say the base driver is already installed but the device still has issue, try this. Close it. Right click, uninstall device. Check attempt to remove the driver for this device only. Uninstall. Then restart your PC. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. That is it. Method 1 for most user, method 2 for one problem device. If this helped, like the video, subscribe and comment which driver you fixed. See you next time.